Hello dear parents, teachers and students. My name is Leila. I am so grateful that today I will be the presenter of this event under the name of ISHIK Talks. We are grateful that you are here to follow the event under the name of ISHIK Talks. We welcome the parents that they came here. The aim of this event, ISHIK Talks, is to give the students a chance so to be enough confident about when they talk to a crowd or to the pupil without being stressful, and they can be able to say their ideas about a specific topic. The first round of ISHIK Talks was held in the classes between more than 60 students. The winners of the first round are today here to participate in the final round of this event, ISHIK Talks, and from each class there will be one winner and they will get the prize at the end of the event.
قوتابیانی بەڕێز ئەوەی کە هاتیتە ئێمە بەدەنایە هەمویان براوە هیچ قوتابیەک لەوەی دڵی دەڵێت کە ئەگەر یەکێکیان لە کۆتاییەکە دەرچیتن خودی گەیشتنتان بۆ قۆناغێکدا سەرکەوتن وەلا هەموو پێشبڕکێیەکیش وایە لە کۆتاییەکە یەک کەس دەبێت و لێژنەی هەڵسەنگاندنیش کە لە 6 مامۆستای بەڕێزبێ کاتیدا بەپێی ئەو نقاطانەیەکەوە کەسێک کە وتار دەداتن و بەپێی ئاستی زمانی ئینگلیزیەکە بەپێی ئەو ئاسوکەوتەی کە چۆن لێرە دەتوانین ئادای بکات و پێشکەشی بکات هەڵسەنگاندنیان لە بۆ دەکرێت بۆیە پیرۆزبایی لە هەموو لایەکتان دەکەین هەمووتان سەرکەوتوونە و ئامانجیشمان لەو پرۆژانە ئەوەیە کە قوتابیان بتوانن ئەو سێتیان لە بۆ دروست ببیتن کە بتوانن بەرامبەر کەسانێک کە ئەوە کە بتوانن 20 کەس یان 30 کەس یان 50 کەس لێرە بین بتوانن قسە بکەن بەدڵنیایی بەیانی بەرامبەر 1000 کەس و 2000 کەسیش بتوانن قسە بکەن.
My name is Dina Ferman and I'm from 6th grade. And before I talk about my topic, I'm going to give you a hint about what I'm going to be talking about. I'll give you 5 seconds. Let's begin. I'm going to be talking about air pollution. The definition of air pollution. What is air pollution? Air pollution is made of different types of chemicals and gases. It occurs in our atmosphere. Let's talk about the sources of air pollution. We have 2 types of sources, indoors and outdoors. Now we're going to be talking about the indoor solution as sources. Chalhas is a type of stove that you need fire to use it, and it's bad for our environment. Outside air comes back to our apartments, buildings, hotels, wherever we live, and it's bad. Wood and paper burning, the smoke of it is really, really bad for our environment. Barbati is a type of firework that have a smoke coming out of it. Woolen furniture paint have a smell that mixes with our air. Mosquito repellent is a type of repellent that you use to kill bugs, and that have a smell, and the air of it is bad. Dust. If we have dust, for example, we clean it up, but don't let it come for a few days and